Hey there! Welcome to our video on Jasper.AI. In today's world, businesses are always looking for ways to improve their efficiency and productivity. That's where Jasper.AI comes in. Jasper.AI is an advanced artificial intelligence system that can transform the way businesses operate. By leveraging data and machine learning algorithms, Jasper.AI can help companies make better decisions, automate processes, and ultimately grow their bottom line. At its core, Jasper.AI is all about assessing business needs and finding solutions to improve operations. It starts with identifying areas for improvement and determining if Jasper.AI can address those needs. But implementing Jasper.AI isn't just a plug-and-play solution. There's an integration process that involves acquiring and installing the software, as well as customizing it to meet your business requirements. Employee training is also a crucial part of the process. Jasper.AI is a powerful tool that requires a certain level of understanding to use effectively. And, of course, you'll want access to technical support for maintenance and troubleshooting. So, what are the benefits of implementing Jasper.AI in your business? For one, you can make better decisions thanks to data analysis and insights. With automation, you can also increase efficiency and productivity. And let's not forget about the enhanced customer experience, which is always a priority. Overall, Jasper.AI is a game-changing technology that can help businesses of all sizes take their operations to the next level. Thanks for watching.